Everything you need to know about UGC Net 2019. Who needs to apply for UGC Net 2019? It's not that everyone will apply for this exam. Only a few apply. Mainly anyone wanting to be assistant professor or junior research fellowship applies for this. What is the eligibility for UGC Net 2019? With changes in eligibility, you need to look for your eligibility. Candidates should have passed post-graduation degree from universities or institutions recognized by UGC with at least 55% marks. Maximum age limit is 30 years. But there is certain relaxation for ST, SC and OBCs. If you fall into that category, you are in luck. For SC, ST, OBC, PWD and PH candidates, relaxation is 5 years. So the maximum age limit for those categories will be 35 years. What is the application fee for UGC Net 2019? The fees are different for different categories. So, please check before applying. For general candidates it is 800 rupees. For OBC candidates it is 400 rupees, and lastly for SC and ST candidates it is 200 rupees. So, here are the important dates you need to remember in case you're applying for UGC Net. The starting date of online application is the 1st of March 2019. The last date of online application is the 30th of March 2019. The date to download the admit card is the 15th of May 2020. The date of examination is the 20th of June 2019 to the 28th of June 2019, and the date of result declaration is by the 15th of July 2019.